Have you ever wondered how complex projects get completed on time? Project management holds the key. It's the art of planning, executing, and controlling resources to ensure success. In today's video, we will break down the essentials of project management using various charts, and how they aid in navigating complex tasks. Project management is crucial in navigating today's intricate work environments. It helps define project scope and determine completion methods. First, we establish the tasks needed to finish the project, which are organized into a work breakdown structure. This roadmap allows teams to understand their roles and responsibilities clearly. Next, we'll delve into the use of Gantt charts and activity network diagrams. Gantt charts provide a visual timeline for project tasks, showing when they start and finish. Meanwhile, activity network diagrams display task dependencies, allowing us to identify critical paths. These tools help manage complex relationships between tasks effectively. It's important to note that project planning comes with uncertainties. Therefore, we estimate task durations using optimistic, normal, and pessimistic cases. This weighted approach builds reliability into our planning. The critical chain method enhances this by adding buffers for potential delays. Once planning is complete, we derive costs for each element of the project. This process involves estimating resources needed and their associated expenses. Calculating this accurately results in a total project cost, which aids in budget management. Now let's explore an example. Consider the construction of a hospital. We start by planning the tasks, procuring land, designing, and selecting equipment. Each task is mapped out using charts. As we move from one task to the next, we can assess progress and adjust resources as needed. This organization ensures the hospital is completed on time and meets quality standards. To recap, effective project management requires defining the project, organizing tasks, using relevant charts, and understanding risks. Success hinges on planning accurately, estimating costs, and monitoring progress against a baseline schedule. So, what's the next step? Start applying these concepts in your projects today. Familiarize yourself with Gantt charts and activity network diagrams. They'll transform the way you manage your work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Happy planning!